Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Y'all, look, I love a good line dance. It's not only just fun, but it's good exercise. And what better way to exercise than to carry your fan bag? Yeah, I had to get this bag. As soon as I saw this bag, I think I first saw her on Tomokio's channel. I hope I'm saying her name right. She is such a beautiful sister. If you guys are not following her, definitely go over and follow. But I think everybody knows who she is. She has so many people who love her and support her, and I just love her soul. She just has a sweet soul. But she had this bag, and I said I got to get that bag. This has been on my radar for about 9 months now, and yeah, I got her, y'all. She's so cute, and I know y'all laughing at me in the background saying there is no way that Tanya fit anything into this bag. She definitely overstuffed her because we know her, but y'all don't know me for real because I did not overstuff her. I did really well. I did. I did. Okay. So let's just get in. I've already done a review, so if you wanted to know all the dimensions and everything, definitely go back and check out that video. I'll try to see if YouTube would allow me to, um, you know, add that in the, to the thing so you can see it. So this is how I have her packed. Everything is nice and orderly in its own place. Now, I'm not using any Louis Vuitton pouches. I've never received any pouches from any companies. Um, but I'm just gonna use what I have. So yeah, I just found, since the interior was like this red color, I found some cute little burgundy um, pouches that I thought went well with it. So right off the bat, you can't have a fan bag without the actual fan. So yeah, this is one of my favorite fans. It's kind of historical for me. This was one of my grandmother's. When she turned 98, I think we were giving these out as like little favors for her 98th birthday party. She lived to be 103, y'all. She lived a wonderful life, okay? Uh, not without heartache, of course, but she lived a great life. So I got that in there. And excuse my nails, it's Sunday, so I'm probably gonna do them today. I got my little L'Occitane lotion. This smells really good. This is in, what is this? What is the scent? I don't know the scent, y'all, but it smells good. My daughter and I were out shopping, and we were just like, let's go in L'Occitane. And they just, everything that they have is just so well done. And yeah, I haven't smelled anything bad from them, but I love their hand creams. All right, so let's start with this first little pouch right here. This is just what I'm using as a wallet. Of course, it came from Shein. I'll try to leave a link below if I can. I just have my cards in there. I had a few gift cards and credit cards, although if I'm really going out, I probably won't be needing a lot because my husband will be with me. And then I have my Purell and my Curette alcohol wipes, some gum. I'm not going to leave home without some kind of gum or a mint. So that's it. And I think I may have 2 quarters down at the bottom. I don't know why. I just do. And then I have this little pouch here. This came from Dollar Tree a while ago. And I just picked it up because it was a buck. I've never used it, actually. This is my first time. So right off the top, I have my Gucci Flora inside of here. Perfume. And then I have my wet wipes. A sewing kit, because when you go out, nothing, you can go out every single day and nothing happens to your clothes, but when you going out and you really think you cute, that's exactly when that button is going to pop or something. So I got a sewing kit. I have my sanitizer in pistachio milk and honey. That smells really good. My pill case with some ibuprofen and acetaminophen, and then a little native just in case. And sometimes, you know, the men need their stuff too, and they don't carry a bag. So if my husband say, "Hey, you got a deodorant," depending on which car we're in, and a lot of times when we go out, we're in his car. I know he probably don't have it in his car, so I carry everything that anybody may just happen to need. All right, and I even have that in some type of organization so that it's not just all over the little pouch. And it zips right up. And then in this bottom section, I just have some Kleenex. I have a little nail glue or crazy glue because that can fix anything. And then cutters, nail cutters. What are they called? Nail clippers. What? Tiny, you couldn't think of nail clippers? Okay. Yeah, y'all know. Y'all know it's brain fog. That's all. Okay, I said I was going to be serious this video. Okay, we're going to be serious. Okay, I can't do it. Y'all know me. All right, and then in this little pouch, this also came from Shein. Y'all, these little pouches, I want to say they were probably like $2 or $1.50. They were really, really inexpensive. I have hygiene products in here. So all of my little wipes. I have a feminine hygiene item. I have all the wipes you could possibly need. I really am being redundant by carrying the wet ones because I already have the big one, but it's in there just in case. Just in case, honey. Okay, and then I always have a pad because there's always a woman. It never fails when you're out, especially like at church or somewhere, and you know there's a woman who needs some help, and they'll just be like, "Hey, do you have such and such?" And I'm like, "Yes, I always do. I always have something for somebody." And that's been since I was like in 5th grade. I don't know why I've been that way, but I'm always the mama. And then the last thing I have in here is just my little notebook. I have these on my TikTok shop, as well as my Amazon storefront. I buy these in bulk because you never know when you need a sheet of paper. And then I just have my little card thing that I've always had in my evening bags. This just helps me remember what I need to add because honestly, I don't have any makeup in here, and you guys know I'm at least going to have a lippy in there. And then this is the mirror that comes with it. I love this. This is the best feature. That little bucket of leather right there is just, y'all, the attention to detail, honey. You know you need this bag. Like, you know you need it, okay? So yeah, this is my little setup. I only needed 3 little pouches. I am so happy with this bag. Thank you so much, Babala and Teresa, for this beautiful gift. I am going to treasure this forever. I really, 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 really love this. Okay, now I took the strap off, but I'm gonna try to add the clip of me showing how I would have styled this crossbody. Now that you know I've lost some little weight, I've lost about almost 100 pounds. I can wear stuff crossbody, like yeah. So that's one of the perks, I guess. But yeah, my idea was to wear this as a clutch because that's what I thought it was. But when I found out it had this little strap, I just thought this was so cute. So I will be wearing it both ways, as a clutch and as a crossbody, and it's adjustable. And you can use this strap on other bags as well. So I love that. And yeah, I am pretty much done with this video, you guys. That is the shortest what's in my bag I've ever done in my whole life. So anyway, y'all take care and God bless. Before I go, I'll have all the links below for everything. You can use my code 18doves to order. This bag will not last long because it's getting hot, and you know we women, we want our stuff, so it will not last for long. Definitely let me know what you get. It doesn't have to be this bag. They got all kinds of stuff on the website. Check the website out. Use my code so I can get a little credit, y'all know I'm not working right now, so use my little code, and yeah, let's sell this bag out. This bag is so cute. And hey y'all, so this was my little outfit of the day. I wore these espadrilles with my Michael Kors Hamilton. I could have worn something totally different. So let me show you what I should have worn. Okay, I should have worn this handbag with these heels. I just didn't have time to get back downstairs. I was rushing this morning, all things. Okay, so the dress, I get so many compliments. I've only worn this dress twice, and that was up in Michigan and down here this today. Came from Meyer, and I didn't pay much. Meyer is a store that is up north, like Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, I think has Meyers too. I know Chicago has a Meyers. But instead of Walmarts, they have Walmarts, but they don't have as many Walmarts as they do Meijer. So that's where I got the dress. It's really, really cute. I could have wore the bag crossbody, or I could have just wore it as a clutch, which is kind of what I prefer. When I first got the bag, I said I'm gonna wear this as a clutch because I didn't know it was a crossbody bag until I got it. So yeah, I could wear it either way. This is so cute. It was 87 degrees today, so a fan definitely would have been needed, but I didn't have it. So yeah, anyway, I thought I would just come in. The earrings are so cute. Everybody loves my earrings. Most of my earrings, you guys know, either come from Shein or the beauty supply. These came from Shein. And yeah, it was nice and cool. I didn't have to worry or fuss with the dress because it's big and roomy. I just love it. Now the only thing about it is it's see-through, like on the buttons, but I would just keep it like covered or whatever, so I didn't worry about that. But that was my little outfit of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, bye. Stay tuned because I'm gonna do what fits inside this bag right after this video. And then I forgot to show my little bracelet. I got this white bracelet. It's like a cream color bracelet from Kohl's with my Kohl's rewards some years ago. It's actually getting kind of old, but yeah, I got so many compliments on everything. It's all twisted up on my arm, but I'll show it better in the video. All right, talk to y'all in a minute. My shoes over there on the floor by my packages. I just got some packages in. All right, I got to see what's in there. All right, bye y'all.